Hey guys, this is future me, wanting to say some things about this video that you're going to see now. Some of the footage that I filmed in this video is a bit blurry, and it's really annoying because I was too lazy to check that the focus was all the way on before I started filming, and so that's why yeah, my face is blurry some places in the video. But I hope you can ignore that and enjoy the video, even though I was a bit lazy. Yes. Yeah, let's just get right into the video. Hello guys, good morning and welcome to a new vlog. Today I'm going to be taking you guys around with me when me and my friend are going to this vegan festival. Like, it's a vegetarian festival, but mostly like vegan. And I think it's going to be very fun. So I'm leaving in about, let's see, yeah, like 15 minutes. And I got my brows on, and my outfit looks like this. Just have this top on here. I don't remember where I got it, with like some stitching here kind of. And then I got these shorts that I got at H&M that I think are really cute. So that's what I look like. It's been really warm in Norway these last few days. It's like summer temperatures. Today it's supposed to be like up to like 30 degrees Celsius here in Norway. So that's pretty warm for Norway temperatures. So I'm very excited, and I'm going to pack my bag to leave, and then I will head to the bus and I will show you what I get up to. Okay, so we just got off the train and we have to walk fast to the festival place, whatever it's called, because we want to get like these goodie bags that the first 250 people get. So let's see if we can get there in time. Oh my god. Okay, this is terrible. I don't know if you guys saw that whole line, but there's like way too many people here. We're not gonna get in until like, I don't know, 1 o'clock or something, and it's now 11, so I don't know how we're gonna do this. We are finally inside! Yay! So we stood in line for about a half hour. So it wasn't really that bad. The line looked like really long. I thought we were going to be there for like 2 hours, but it wasn't that bad. So we're finally inside, and it's so exciting. It's really big, and let's see what we get up to. so far.
There is so much good food here.
Yeah, I totally agree. We've been around to like every single, vad heter det, bod? Every single... Okay, we've been around to every single like stand, that's what it's called. Every single stand. And we've like tasted a bunch of food and we got some ice cream and now we're probably getting some more ice cream. And yeah, we're having a lot of fun.
Yes.
So
it's really nice.
Yeah. We'll show you some more. Okay, what are we doing now?
I don't know.
No, we've just been walking around, eating a lot,
and debating whether we have enough money to buy everything we want.
Yeah, basically. So now we're just like buying the stuff that we've been looking at for the last like 2 hours. If we have enough money, and then we're probably gonna buy a bit more food and then head out because we're really hot and there are a lot of people here and we've kind of been around everywhere.
Yes, we've done everything, I think.
Yeah, we feel kind of done, but it's been really fun.
Yes.
And yeah, we're very happy. So yeah, I'll show you what we do later. Are now on our way out.
It's really sad.
It's really sad, but yeah, we've had a really good day. So
yes, I feel kind of finished, and it's so hot.
It's really hot. Like, to be in Norway, this is like, oh my god. Ooh, look at that gym shark. Okay, so I'm gonna eat this cookie now because we need to go under this. Because it's melting, and I actually bought it to like bring it home, but that's not gonna happen. Yeah, but to like oppsummere, to
resume,
yeah, something like that. The day has been really good, and we're tired and ready to just
head home.
I mean, yeah, we still have to wait for like like 1.5 hours or something, but you know, that's fine. We'll just like walk around everywhere.
That's nice too.
That's nice too, yeah. But it was really nice to actually get outside. It feels like outside of the festival area.
Where are we even heading now?
I don't know. Okay. It was nice to stay in the shade though.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'll update you guys later when we do something. Sorry about the background noise, guys. I know it's pretty loud, but I'm at the train station, so I can't really do much about that. But as you guys saw, I just missed the train. That's standing right here right now, so I'm gonna have to hurry. Yeah, so just made it. Nope, I didn't. So I'm gonna have to wait for the next one. But the next one is going in like 10 minutes or so it's not really that bad. So I'm really excited to get home because I'm really tired, and I'll speak to you guys later because the sound here is really annoying probably for you guys on the video. Okay guys, so finally got the bus home, and I'm just walking the last few meters until I get to my house, and I'm so excited to get home. But it's been a very nice day, and I've had so much fun, but right now I'm just feeling like really like kind of sweaty and disgusting and really warm and full, and yeah, other than that I'm feeling really good, and I'm so happy that the weather was so nice today even though it was really hot. And I had so much fun with Anna today. I mean, you guys didn't really get to see a lot of her or get to know what she does on a regular basis, but you'll probably see more of her in my vlogs. We are thinking of doing a video together where we make some food and stuff to show you, so that will be very nice. And yeah, today I didn't put any sunscreen on, so I'm feeling that I'm going to be really burnt tomorrow, or I'm probably going to feel it tonight already. But yes, I can see my house now, so I think I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Yeah, I've had a very nice day, like I've said so many times already, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Please like the video if you liked it and want to see more of these kinds of videos. Also, click the subscribe button down below if you want to see more of me and what I do here on my channel. And also, click the bell button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.